In this video, I'm gonna show you how to post on OnlyFans. If you want to post a new content on OnlyFans, then here are some few steps. First, open your OnlyFans application or simply log into onlyfans.com on a web browser. Also make sure that you've created an account. After you have, from the main homepage, you'll be able to find the Compose New Post text box at the top of the screen. You can also tap on the plus icon at the bottom, and then this will bring up the New Post tab. Here, you can go ahead and compose a new post for OnlyFans. After you type in your post, you can also go ahead and tap on the poll icon at the bottom and create a poll for your post. Enter your first option in the first text box, and then enter your second option in the next. You can also keep on adding more options by tapping on Add Another option. After you are done attaching a poll, you also have an option to add quiz on your post. Tap on this little icon where it shows a question mark inside the puzzle, and then you can enter your quiz options, and then after you are ready, tap on the post button at the top right and you'll be able to add a post or create a post on OnlyFans. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.